Namaskar and very good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss ethics. The question is, what is ethics? Or what is the meaning of ethics? Meaning of ethics. When we find the term ethics, we find that it is derived from Greek word ethos. Ethos, which means conduct. Therefore, the etymological meaning of ethics, we find that ethics is the study of conduct. Conduct means in action. When you get up in the morning, you get up in the morning at 4 a.m. Then the next day you get up at same time. Next day you get up at same time. Then it constitutes the conduct. Your conduct constitutes your behavior. What it constitutes? Your behavior. Therefore, ethics is the study of behavior. Now, next, your behavior becomes your habit. Therefore, we can say ethics is the study of habit. Again, that habit constitutes your character. It means you are an early riser, and therefore ethics is the study of character. And then further, you get up early in the morning, your mother get up early in the morning, you take a bath and then went to puja sthan, doing some aarti or something else. Your brother gets early in the morning, get up early in the morning. Your neighbors get up early in the morning. The whole members of your society get up early in the morning. They take a bath and went to temple or any puja sthal for puja. Then this habit or this conduct or this behavior becomes a custom. Therefore, ethics is the study of. Therefore, this conduct includes in itself the terms behavior, includes in itself the term habit, includes in itself the terms character and custom. Character and custom. Here you find that ethics is the study of conduct, behavior, habit, character, and custom. All these are the subject matter of ethics. Again, we write the answer to the question, what is ethics or what is the meaning of ethics? That ethics is the study of conduct. Again, we inquire in other aspect of the conduct. That conduct of whom? Question arises, conduct of whom conduct, it includes, whether it includes the conduct of God, whether it includes the conduct of nature, whether it includes the conduct of animals, whether it includes the conduct of human being, there we see that all the actions in the world, all those persons who believe in God, they say that all the actions are happening in the world are with the will of God. They exist with the will of God. They happen with the will of God. So God is responsible for all these things, all these actions, and He come under the scope of ethics. The answer is no. He don't. Nature, like earthquakes, thousands of persons are died due to earthquake or tsunami like incidents. So whether nature comes under the scope of ethics, then again answer is no. The third is the conduct of animals. Whether the conduct of animals is also included here in this definition, to answer again is no. Which includes the conduct of human being. The conduct of human being. Now, again a question arises, what type of actions, what type of actions comes under conduct? Of ethics. This conduct, what type of actions? There are two categories of actions: voluntary action and involuntary actions. Voluntary actions are those actions which are with the consent or will of the agent. Agent means one who done these actions. And involuntary actions are those actions which are happened under certain constraints or happened due to ignorance, Like you move your hand and there is somebody else, your hand touched on her or his mouth, and he felt that there was you slap him or her. So these actions did not come under the scope of conduct. Ethicist says that only voluntary actions come under the scope of ethics. Now the question arises, the voluntary actions of an infant child come under the scope of ethics? The answer again is no. The voluntary actions of mad persons come under the scope of ethics? Then again answer is no. So a person who is mentally sound and who done all these actions with his consent, with his will, come under the scope of conduct. Means those actions which are done by our will, by our desire to satisfy our desire, with our conscious actions, comes under the scope of conduct. Now we will see that which type of actions are included under this conduct and what are the things included under conduct. Now what happened under ethics when study the conduct? Now the question arises, what study? It studies the conduct of a individual human being or of a group of individual and finds that whether that action is right or not. Now the question arises, he checks that conduct is right or not. Now again a question arises, how we find the rightness of an action? How we can find the rightness of an action? Now, right, what do you mean by the term right? Right means, right again comes from the Greek term that is rectus, and it means state or according to rule. According to rule or state. So then means an action which is performed. An action is performed by an agent. An action is performed by an agent is right if he or she performed that action in accordance with certain norms or rules. Norms means rules, NORMS. Certain norms means to say the rightness of that conduct or that action is measured on the basis of these norms. So here you find that ethics is the study of rightness and wrongness of an action. Ethics is the study of rightness and wrongness of conduct. A new definition came into place. Further, ethics is also the study of these moral standards, these moral norms, because the rightness and wrongness of conduct is based on these norms. Here, ethics is the study of moral standards. Or norms. find that ethics, which starts with the study of conduct, includes the study of character, the study of behavior, the study of custom, as well as habit. It also includes the study of all these things. Though ethics means when ethics is the study of rightness, wrongness of conduct, in accordance to certain moral standards or norms. Then a new complete definition came. Now, if an action is right, if while we say that a particular action is right only because it is in accordance with certain norms. Why an action is right? Only because it satisfies certain norms. Then the answer is given that because it leads to good. Means what is right leads to good. And good is that which satisfy our desire, which is virtuous in nature, and which is beneficial for all. Now, a new definition of ethics came, that ethics is the study of right, wrong, now good, bad, or bad, evil. You can say good, evil, or good, or bad. Of an action. I feel that this definition covers the whole meaning of ethics, and I hope that you all understand the answer to the question, what is ethics? Thank you very much.